friendly neighbor is good. If he is a reader, it's better. If he shares his book, he's the best. I have a neighbor from this better category who has a lot of books. Did I say I had a neighbor? Sorry, I had a neighbor because he is no more now. After his demise, his family sold most of his books to the old newspaper marts. I was lucky to get a part of it. It was like an achievement for me because it had rarest books. Last week after completing the Toastmasters Club, I went back home. I was in my bed checking those books. Few were self-help books and others were novels. Amidst all these books was a small book, hardly 20 pages, covered with a brown sheet. I couldn't find the book's title, so I removed that brown sheet and the title read, "Welcome to the Ghost World." My dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, how many of you believe in ghosts? Like many of you here, I didn't believe in them. I found the title funny. So what I did, I just flipped through the pages. Most of the pages were empty. There was one page with 2 lines printed. I couldn't understand a word from it. So I read it aloud again as an attempt to understand those words. Suddenly, I started falling. I was falling. I couldn't understand what was happening. I was so scared. I wanted to scream. I gathered all my energy and tried to scream, but my tongue stuck inside my mouth. Then I fell down. It was a stony, hard, bumpy ground. I gathered myself and I got up, but I didn't feel any pain. I had no idea where I was. The ambience was dark and dense. The temperature was getting lower and lower, and I started shivering. I couldn't hear anything or see anything. I was cursing myself for reading that. Far away, I could see some figure moving. Slowly, my eyes were getting used to the darkness. That figure was slowly moving towards me, and I was so scared. It was wearing a pale blue colored dress. I couldn't identify what kind of dress it was. It has no stitches, no designs. It looked like a pumpkin covered with a blue colored screen cloth. It was slowly coming towards me, and its face, it was resembling Hitler. Hitler? And it was slowly coming towards me. I was checking if it had legs because it almost seemed like floating. Apart from its face, I couldn't see any of its body parts. It was slowly coming towards me. It stood near me and it looked into my eyes. I was so panicked. After a few seconds, it took my hand and tied this around my hand, and it read number 13. And in a terrible voice, it said, "When you hear a bell, just get in." I was like, where should I get in? Where should I go? Why am I here? I was so confused. I just wanted to get back to my usual world. What was happening? I was so confused. Slowly, I could smell some garlic everywhere. It was so nauseating. I was still waiting for the bell to ring, but I wanted to come back to my usual world. I was praying God that it should be a nightmare. I begged everyone in my family mentally to wake me up from this bad dream. But nothing happened. I heard a bell. I prayed God that it should be Milkman's bell. I should wake up from this dream. But nothing changed. That Hitler looked at me and said, "Get in." I was scared to death. I was just standing there, not knowing what to do, where to go. I was shivering in cold and trembling in fear. Standing there, again it was yelling at me, "Get in, get in." I was ready to do anything to come out of that world. Suddenly an idea flashed. I started telling those lines I read in the book, again and again, aloud. Suddenly I started falling again. I thought I'm going to my usual world, yeah, but it felt like decades of falling. I was falling and falling and falling. After a few minutes of falling, I was in my bed. I opened my eyes and I was so glad back to be in my own world. Oh my God, it should be a dream. Yeah, it is a dream. But it felt so real. How could it be a dream? But how could there exist any ghost? No, it should be a dream. Okay, I convinced myself. It was a dream. It was a dream. It was a dream. After a few minutes, my mouth was as dry as a desert. So I grabbed the water bottle near me, and when I was about to drink, only then I realized the stab was still in my hand. Oh my God! Then really I got into this ghost world. I was trying to get this out of me, but I was not able to. Then I heard somebody calling me. It was my husband. He was calling, Sudha, Sudha, what are you doing? But when I came out of the room, I was so shocked to see Hitler there. What? In the same blue dress? I'm already out of this ghost world. Why is Hitler talking in my husband's voice? Then I turned towards the TV, and all the figures in the TV which was dancing was Hitler. Every figure. I came out of the house and I looked into the street. Every person who was passing by looked like Hitler. From last week, whomever I see is looking like a Hitler. Even now, I feel that Hitler has occupied all the seats of this room. I have to get back to this ghost world to get this removed. Anybody coming with me? Thank you.
Wonderful speech, and I think everybody in the ghost world now. That's why they didn't say thank you to you. I think one more thing you would have observed, say, whenever a speaker or role player coming here and they are uttering the word of the day and theme of the day, you have to applause with your this thing. So that will create one energy. So I think mostly I use thing, I think I'll get applause. So going to second speaker today, our second speaker is Postmaster Rajeshwar Rao. So he is the manager